In this video, I want to show you how to create felt map accounts for free, absolutely for free. To do that, open your browser and search for felt maps and press enter. So this will open this page. You can come to this link, which is felt map. Click to open the home page of felt map. And this is the interface of felt maps. You can go through it. It's a cloud native GIS platform for everyone in your organization. So you can scroll down and read more about this platform. You can read more about the platform. You can visualize any of your file. You can upload by dragging and drop any file, any format. So this is a very good platform where you can seamlessly integrate your database, connect Progress, Snowflakes, and other cloud sources. You can connect your database in felt map and visualize your data. So you can scroll down and see what this cloud data is all about. So to sign up or create an account, click on sign up. And here you have options to create your account with your Google account, or you can input your email, name and password to create an account. So let's create our account with Google account. Then choose the account you want to use and then click on continue. It will bring this interface. What is your company name? So specify your organization. For example, let's say geospatial solution. Then click on continue. Then how do you plan to use felt? For work, fun, education, or something else? So you have various options here. Let's go for education and click on continue. Then you can tell them about yourself. So where do you store your data? Click on the drop down and select the appropriate options here. So let's choose local file on my computer. So I'll choose this. Then the second question, how did you find felt? So just tell them you have different options here. Choose how you found them. So let's choose Google and just choose the appropriate one and then click on continue. So you will enjoy 5 days of enterprise plan for free. But after 7 days, you'll be downgraded to the free plan automatically. So click on start my free trial. So immediately you click on that, it will create your account. And here we go. We can see the interface of felt map here. So this is how to create the felt map account. So in the subsequent video, we'll be showing you how to link it to QGIS and how to share your QGIS project with felt. Thank you for watching.